This is my latest book. It's called Who Stole My Pension? It just came out now. The biggest financial crash is coming, is very simply for one thing, is our pensions, the baby boomer pensions have been looted. I don't know if the guys from California, the Communist Republic of California, but the CalPERS, their pension plan is $1 trillion underwater. Detroit went bankrupt. Dallas went bankrupt because Wall Street's ripping us off on our pensions. And my generation, the baby boom generation, we're the first guys to have these 401ks. And when the defined benefit, which is the teachers' pensions, come down, the 401ks will be toast. So the reason I wrote this book, Who Stole My Pension, my co-author is an SEC attorney. And he is the biggest whistleblower in America today. His last year he made something like $34 million blowing the whistle on Wall Street, who've been looting the heck out of us. So that's why this book, Who Stole My Pension, is an important book, because this is a global crisis. Japan is toast. They're rioting in Paris right now because their pensions are toast. Chile, the pensions are toast. Australia, the pensions are toast. So for some people, this is bad news, but if you're an entrepreneur, it's good news. Because when markets crash, that's when you make most of your money.